How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I have here laid out some My Medic small little kits that I kind of stumbled upon, and I really like the idea of them, and I think they will benefit you in traveling or your military or building your medical kits or building bug out bags or just in general anything, or even building like a diaper bag or something for your kids or an emergency kit for your cars. It's very smart what they did. And it's because if you go on Amazon and you want certain things, you always got to buy like 500 or 1,000 or 250 of them. And you're like, yo, I only want like 3 or 5 of these products. Like, I don't want to buy the whole bulk pack, right? As in gloves or, Band-Aids or something like that. This is a medical, mindset behind it. And it just has, you can tailor whatever you want in specific items, and that's the benefit. Plus, how they package these and they kind of organize them is very smart. I mean, look at this. This is a assorted bandage pack. Look how thin it is, and it's waterproof. So if you put this in your kit and it pours rain or you get submerged or whatever, it doesn't matter. It's pre-sealed, and they're all Ziploc. So if you do go in these, tear them open, you can seal them up. So all of these are like that. And I'm gonna go through some examples really quick. These are from My Medic. I am affiliated. I have some affiliate links with this company just because I think they do such a great job. And I have a lot spread out all through my kits, which I have done previous videos on different stuff, the little pill packs, which is really cool. And then recently I purchased all this. Yes, I purchased all this. This is not given to me. So this is all my own money, given a real review, not paid off here. But I think it's interesting, again, because they have a lot of stuff. For example, wound closure kit, right? Something super small, right? It has skin glue here, simple to use, right? And you can choose whatever you like. This is a tool mod, right? So it has a whistle, pen light, tweezers, thermometer, and then this thermometer sheaths, all in this little tiny kit. So if you're like traveling or something, this is an awesome kit to have because it has all this little stuff that you need. Or you could use these as give out kits maybe for other folks, however you want to use it. Treatment relief, right? This one's like for stings and other stuff, assorted supplies for treating wounds and relieving pain, right? And they list all the stuff on the back, small enough, sealed up, assorted Band-Aids, right? Sealed up, like I said. The blister mods, these are really cool. They make bigger and smaller ones. I'll show a couple here in a second. And they just have certain like super skin blister strips, right? This is a different thing than a Band-Aid. It's like their super skin is what they call it, or what they've, designed or whatever. But it's pretty cool if you're hiking. Cool, throw these in here. They got a bunch of gloves I needed some extras. Clean up and prep, right? They have iodine pads, and then they have hand sanitizer, antiseptic wipes, and they have a whole bunch of other stuff. Cool stuff is bite and stings, right? They have a whole kit just for bite and stings, as in like, what do you specifically need for ointment and irritant relief, and like getting rid of that, the pain and the specific hornet or wasp or whatever stung you, getting that out of your system and relieving pain. Sun exposure kits, right? They have a bunch. And for an example, this kit is what I carry with me all the time in a backpack. This goes in my military 72-hour kit. This goes like around town with me. It just has basic stuff in here. And maybe in the future I'll get into all the details of what this is and why I carry it. But it has a bunch of these kits back here. You can kind of see them in there because they're so small and so handy that it's like, why not put them in there? So this is one of my kits that I use this for. All this stuff after today is gonna get stuffed into other kits. So I kind of wanted to do this video now before I have to dig everything out and then show you. And it's just, sometimes it's a pain to do that. If you ever watch my bug out bag videos and stuff, I have to like tear it all apart and show you, and that's quite the hassle. But they also have larger medical things, so they're not just the smaller stuff. Like this is a mini gauze, which is pretty nice, and they have tourniquets and IFAKs and all kinds of other stuff. Good tourniquets too, not knockoff Chinese ones. They actually have the real ones. This is a reputable company that you can go to get good medical stuff. There's only a couple that I recommend realistically, and this company is one of them, and it's My Medic. Again, I'm kind of affiliated with them. I do make a small like cents off of this if you purchase it. It's kind of, I'm an affiliate just like Amazon. Like if you purchase these, I get a few cents. It's not, I have no dealing like technically with the company. I've never spoke to the company. I've never talked to anybody over there. They actually have no idea I'm doing this video. I'm just putting together, you know, information that I think is beneficial for all of you, especially in that travel mindset, you know, military mindset, or Minuteman kit, or, you know, diaper bag, whatever it is. I think this can be beneficial for you. So I just wanted to share that. They have a lot more than just this, so go over, take a look at that. Other than that, this is pretty much all I have. We also have PayPal and Patreon if you're interested. I greatly appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe. Of course, it helps. If you don't want to do that, that's fine too. Got patches over at my store, which is the Big Cartel store. Got patches and stickers, and they're almost out of stock. Kind of slacked off on promoting them because I got busy, but here I am. Here you go. If you're interested in patches and stickers, head over there and purchase some if you want. If not, that's fine too. Other than that, yeah, take a look at these products. I think they're pretty good, and hope you all have a great day.